Tomatoes, juicy, flavorful, and oh so versatile. Even if you're short on space, don't despair. You can grow a bountiful harvest of these garden treasures. It's all about choosing the right varieties and using clever techniques to maximize your yield. Have you ever dreamed of a garden overflowing with plump, juicy tomatoes, but you're working with a small space? Imagine harvesting baskets of vibrant red fruit from a balcony, backyard, or even a tiny corner of your property. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, I'll reveal the secrets to maximizing your tomato yield in the tightest of spaces. Stick around and watch this video to the end, because by the end of the video, you'll not only know how to prune, stake, water and fertilize like a pro, but you'll also learn a bonus trick, using an unexpected ingredient to supercharge your plant's disease resistance, fruit production and flavor. Choosing the right tomato varieties is crucial for small gardens. With limited space, every decision counts, and selecting the right type of tomato can make a significant difference in your garden's productivity. Look for compact, determinate varieties for containers or hanging baskets. These types are specifically bred to thrive in confined spaces, making them perfect for urban gardens or patios. These plants grow to a manageable size and produce a concentrated harvest. This means you can enjoy a bountiful yield without the plants taking over your entire space. For vertical spaces, indeterminate varieties are ideal. These plants continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the season, making them perfect for maximizing vertical space. These vigorous climbers will scramble up trellises or stakes, maximizing your yield per square foot. By growing upwards, you can make the most of limited ground space and still enjoy a plentiful harvest. Some great choices include Sun Gold for its sweet cherry tomatoes, which are perfect for snacking and salads, or San Marzano for classic sauce tomatoes. These are ideal for making rich, flavorful sauces and canning for later use. When planting, ensure each tomato plant has adequate space to grow. Proper spacing is essential for healthy growth and maximum yield. Crowding can lead to poor air circulation and increase the risk of diseases. Good airflow helps prevent fungal infections and other common tomato plant ailments. A good rule of thumb is to allow at least 18 inches between plants in rows. This spacing ensures that each plant has enough room to develop a strong root system and access to nutrients, and 24 inches between rows. This additional space between rows allows for easier access for maintenance and harvesting, and further improves air circulation, contributing to healthier plants and better yields. First things first, location. Tomatoes love sunlight, so aim for at least 8 hours a day. Even if it's broken into morning and afternoon sunshine, they'll thrive. Your soil should be well drained and enriched with organic matter. Imagine the roots diving into nutrient-rich, slightly acidic soil. It's the foundation for strong, healthy plants. Now, here's a secret not everyone knows. Plant your tomatoes deep. Look closely at the stems. They're covered in tiny hairs. Those aren't just for show. Each one can turn into a root when buried, creating a robust system to support a healthier plant. Remove the lower leaves, dig a deep hole, and plant the seedling as far down as you can. This one small step makes a world of difference. Pruning your tomato plants might seem counterintuitive, but it's essential for maximizing yield in small spaces. By removing suckers, the shoots that grow between the main stem and branches, you direct the plant's energy towards fruit production. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to remove suckers when they are small, about 2 to 3 inches long. Simply pinch or snip them off at the base, being careful not to damage the main stem. Regular pruning also improves air circulation around the plants, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. So don't be afraid to give your tomato plants a little trim. They'll thank you for it with a bountiful harvest. By removing the small shoots or suckers growing in the armpits of your plant, you direct energy into fruit production rather than unnecessary leaves. Here's a tip for wet climates. Pruning also prevents disease. More on that in a moment, including how to stop blight before it starts. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational, so go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it. Then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Staking strategies. Tomato plants, especially indeterminate varieties, need sturdy support to grow tall and strong. Staking not only keeps the plants upright, but also makes harvesting easier and prevents fruit from rotting on the ground. There are various staking methods, but for small spaces, cages or trellises work best. Tomato cages provide excellent support and are easy to move around. Trellises are ideal for maximizing vertical space and can add a decorative touch to your garden. When using stakes or cages, bury them firmly in the ground at planting time to avoid damaging the roots later on. Consider building a sturdy vertical structure with wooden posts and twine. This system not only saves space, but ensures your plants grow tall and proud. Bonus, it's budget-friendly and reusable year after year. As the plants grow, gently tie the stems to the support using soft twine or garden tape. Mastering the art of watering. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy tomato plants and juicy fruits. Without proper hydration, your tomato plants can become stressed, leading to poor growth and lower yields. Ensuring they receive the right amount of water is key to their overall health and productivity. Water deeply and regularly, aiming for about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Deep watering encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making the plants more resilient during dry spells. Use a rain gauge or a simple can to measure the amount of water your plants are receiving. However, avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot and other problems. Overwatered plants often show signs of yellowing leaves and stunted growth. It's important to let the soil dry out slightly between waterings to prevent these issues. The best time to water your tomatoes is in the morning, allowing the foliage to dry out during the day. Morning watering helps reduce the risk of fungal diseases that thrive in damp conditions. It also ensures that the plants have enough moisture to face the heat of the day. Water at the base of the plant, avoiding wetting the leaves, as this can encourage fungal diseases. Wet leaves can create a perfect environment for blight and other harmful pathogens. By focusing the water at the base, you ensure that the roots get the moisture they need without promoting disease. Using a soaker hose or drip irrigation system can help deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and water waste. These methods are efficient and can be set on a timer to ensure consistent watering. They also help maintain a steady moisture level in the soil, which is ideal for tomato plants. Mulching around the plants with straw or shredded bark can also help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Mulch acts as a barrier, reducing water evaporation from the soil surface and keeping the roots cool. It also helps suppress weeds, which can compete with your tomato plants for water and nutrients. Regularly check the mulch layer and replenish it as needed to maintain its effectiveness. Tomatoes thrive on consistent moisture. Too dry, they'll sulk. Too wet, you risk disease and cracking fruit. Use drip irrigation to deliver water directly to the roots while keeping the leaves dry. Speaking of diseases, Did you know inconsistent watering can lead to a nasty condition called blossom end rot? Keep watching for a foolproof fix. Feeding frenzy. Feeding for success, fertilizing for flavor and abundance. I will explore the essential steps to ensure your tomato plants are well fed and thriving, leading to a bountiful harvest. Tomatoes are hungry plants, especially during the flowering and fruiting stages, and need regular fertilization throughout this growing season. Consistent feeding is key to achieving those juicy, flavorful tomatoes we all love. Start with nutrient-rich soil amended with compost or aged manure. This foundational step provides a steady supply of nutrients and improves soil structure, ensuring your plants have a strong start. Then supplement with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Regular feeding helps maintain nutrient levels, supporting continuous growth and fruit production. Choose a fertilizer specifically formulated for tomatoes, high in phosphorus and potassium for abundant blooms and flavorful fruits. These nutrients are crucial for flower development and fruit set, leading to a more productive garden. Avoid over-fertilizing with nitrogen, as this can lead to lush foliage growth at the expense of fruit production. Excessive nitrogen encourages leafy growth, which can overshadow the plant's ability to produce fruit. Foliar feeding, spraying a diluted fertilizer solution directly onto the leaves, can give your plants an extra boost. This method allows for quick nutrient absorption, especially during critical growth stages or when plants show signs of nutrient deficiency. Epsom salt, rich in magnesium, can also be beneficial, promoting healthy foliage and preventing blossom end rot. Magnesium is essential for chlorophyll production, which is vital for photosynthesis and overall plant health. Adding Epsom salt to your fertilization routine can enhance the green color and vigor of your tomato plants, ensuring they remain robust and productive throughout the season. Pests and diseases protecting your precious tomatoes. Tomato hornworms can munch through your plants faster than you can say pasta sauce. Tomatoes are susceptible to various pests, but with vigilance and natural remedies, you can keep them at bay. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of infestation such as chewed leaves, webbing or discolored fruits. Common tomato pests include aphids, whiteflies, tomato hornworms and spider mites. Handpicking larger pests like hornworms is an effective method. For smaller insects, try spraying the plants with a strong jet of water or using insecticidal soap. Companion planting can also deter pests. Basil, marigolds and onions are known to repel certain insects. Additionally, attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to your garden can help control pest populations naturally. Prevention is key, but neem oil can also save the day if things go too far south. Remember the importance of consistent care. A little attention now prevents bigger headaches later. Aspirin. Advantage, a secret weapon for healthy plants. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. The bonus tip that takes your tomatoes to the next level. Grab some aspirin. Yes, aspirin. Aspirin can boost your tomato plant's health and improve fruit quality. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, a natural compound that helps plants resist diseases and stress. Dissolve 1 regular aspirin tablet, 600 milligrams of uncoated aspirin, into a gallon of water and spray it on your plants. It tricks them into thinking they're under attack. This simple trick can strengthen your plants' immune systems, making them less susceptible to pests and fungal diseases. It can also improve fruit set and enhance the flavor of your tomatoes. Give it a try and see the difference. It's a game changer. Reaping the rewards. Enjoying your bumper crop. Growing tomatoes in small spaces can be incredibly rewarding. With a little planning, care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of these garden treasures. Remember to choose the right varieties, prune regularly, provide sturdy support, water consistently, fertilize appropriately, and protect your plants from pests. And don't forget the secret weapon aspirin. So, embrace the challenge, get your hands dirty, and savor the taste of homegrown tomatoes, bursting with flavor and sunshine. Happy gardening! The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional advice. Got your own secret tomato tips? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. And also remember to give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, so I am able to create more informational and educational videos like this. See you in the next video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.